Okay, this is a unique video. I'm going to show you this problem and how to fix it. Surface, battery, unauthenticated battery detected. And if you click on it, it will take you to Microsoft's website about the battery you're using. It is not authenticated. So it doesn't mean not genuine. It just means not authenticated. So it's a new genuine battery in this computer supplied by Microsoft. So finally, they've come back to me with a proper solution, and I thought I'll make a video of it, showing you the repair process as I'm doing it. Maybe it will help you too. Now, I don't know if it does work on non-genuine batteries, but the battery in here is genuine, and it's having problem being identified as genuine. It needs to be authenticated. So that's their email message, the link. So you'll need to visit this link. Okay. And this is Intel version. So I've downloaded that one there. So you just pick the ARM or AM x86 for 32-bit. Okay. Run in repair mode. Okay, so we just need to install. Let's do advanced for ourselves. Okay, see how we go. Yes. It would be nice if they provided this utility with the battery change documentation, but it's not. Only available for business users or IT support. I have factory reset the system as well, which made no change. It was the advice given by Microsoft. Extremely annoying. Okay. Surface diagnostic toolkit. Repair battery verification. Re-authenticate the battery. So I don't think it will work for with non-genuine because the serial number needs to be in their database. Right. System information, settings, telemetry, surface warranty. Right, okay. Battery. Re-authenticate the battery. Okay. Okay. Skip, 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 skip. Already done this previously, not with the same toolkit, but with Windows app. Test again. Okay. Disconnect the power supply. Done. Reconnect power supply. Okay. Well, we've done all that. This is BS. For business, I'm sorry. Surface Diagnostic Toolkit for Business. Right. Okay. Want to do battery? Disconnect. This is the dumbest repair I've ever seen. BRB. Okay, we're supposed to, as per Microsoft, saying that when we do this power supply and battery run selected, we're supposed to get the verification option here at this point. Nothing. Okay. And the battery, this is ridiculous, man. No battery verification option. Okay. Surface firmware applied. Okay, let's go there. There was a Surface firmware, but that's for the dock. Let's reboot and try again. Yep, same message. Okay, okay, we want reinstall the software. Let's run it again. Disconnect. Nothing. Okay. All right, I'm going to do another reset. This time install from a USB, and I'll be back. All right, finally I fixed the issue. Microsoft kept providing the version of the diagnostic toolkit which doesn't have what we want. So if you go to that link, yeah, it's the download ID 100,440. Right. If you go to that link and download the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit, and you extract it and you run this particular app. Yes. All right. So this version has the feature that we want. Diagnostic and testing. Here, choose repair. Continue. Choose the second one. Now, repair validation. All right. Run selected test. So what I've done in my one, I actually did. Okay, uncheck that. I'll click on that. Run selected text test. You'll see some information about the battery. Your one will say unauthenticated. Click yes, and it will ask you to shut down. Shut it down, turn it back on, and then come back here. There's a test again button, and there's a button that will say authenticate. It will go online to Microsoft, and it will authenticate it, and you'll be done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.